Utie oha extra punk no.
Needs FM.
Now, the deliberate attempt to divert attention from budget 2021 statement. Alotejo called Saken and Atukuba Atubigiba Saken.
Say it again. Alotejo Jacobs and who?
Atubiga. And also Saken if you party no. Yeah, Trende Koku Anido.
How much can I say?
Yeah, Trende Koku Anido, no sooner let Baba in that Nochina. That's what the grassroots is saying. All these things were calculated attempts. Oma Neda, them grouping, was it them, Assemble Botuga, want to shift our attention from these developments. Now, maybe said that the cadence leadership, whatever they call themselves, were they in this country? Electoral Commission was, voters registration. Make effort to disenfranchise Ghanaians. EC, after the voting or declare results on several occasions, where were they? Why didn't they demonstrate against the Electoral Commission? Were they in this country? Were they comfortable about the number of times EC declared results? The soldiers, the military that the EC and the government used to intimidate NDC supporters, where the cadence leadership or whatever they call themselves were there in this country. When some of us were writing articles, speaking to the media, exposing the government, attacking the government as far as its intimidation was concerned, where was this group? Can they answer us? It is it is pure machination of the NPP. What they did is a machination of the NDC, and we want to assure them that it is dead on arrival. Some of the members who demonstrated yesterday are NPP executives and sympathizers. Some of them were putting their images out there, indicating the very constituency that they are coming from. There's one guy from Ikropon. He was part of the demonstration. So it is an NPP orchestrated demonstration to try to dent the image of John Dramani Mahama before the grassroots of the NDC. But that will not wash because we are well prepared and determined to send John Dramani Mahama for the 2020 general election.
And you say no. Obi busa say yakọ election na ye pese ye hunu resource a yenyaye say ECC yenya 6.2 million na aye chinyeje eme yakọ court. During the court processes, the conduct of the matter, hunu figure be a NDC say unyaye. Enti say a member of the party, a demande of the party hierarchy, say mon country a number the presidential candidate no unyaye. Omkasa ayabone.
Inche onyabon, but one the approach your party office. In all the regions, Urban National, Accra, you are an officer. If indeed you are an NDC member and have such a concern, you go to the office. Now, Enco office and another, so a correspondent one tewa. There are several options that you have to adopt. You don't go the way they went yesterday. That is why we are saying these people are not known in the NDC. It is true that there could be some inefficiencies in the way we collected our results. But what is the way forward? Suggest solutions going forward. Going out there to demonstrate and denigrate the image of the party in public. That doesn't provide solution. Yes, we agree that we could do better when it comes to collecting our results. But that doesn't mean we should go public. Must we put our weapons out there, our plans out there for our opponents to see? That is why we are saying these people are not NDC people, and indeed we do not know them in the NDC, and they are not NDC members, and no NDC member will do the very thing that they did here.
Do you know the gazetted figure or the actual figure John Dramani Mahama unyaye in the just ended general election?
The party indeed collated its results. Do
you know the figure
John Mahama won the election? He won.
The question is, do you do you know the figure John Mahama organized?
I can't quote offhand, but he had 50%
We only asked you,
over.
do you know?
Do I know? We did collect our results.
What are we are what can say? What obi say on onim results na party executive from Famano. What see and disregarding the pakro. And you say say. What so that we have that nyabotenity question. What would you
collection of the results?
You must have collection of results. We are. You must have say. Wouldn't figure John Mahama would nyaye.
How do you know? How would you know the figure that Mahama had? It's not true. Collecting the figures.
And your collation brofubia near John Mahama, electoral commission say, electoral commission say, oh, 6 point, electoral commission so 6.2, 6.2, no, and now a party will be say, Uncle figures and young family. What say, me and few, what do you say? Do you know a figure, John Mahama?
This electoral commissioner, senior, make reference to, declared the results 6 times. If he itself doesn't know the total ballot vote of the 2020 general election, the electoral commission itself doesn't know. So you man can call courts in Kogwania. But you know, witness box in now my evidence to the various declarations made by your office. The woman was shaded from mountain
results will be brebe na electoral commission de ban. Some results will be brebe. Dia hina actual result at John Mahama unyaye.
I'm finding it difficult to give you the answer up here because I do not have that document.
And no near some that one to what wouldn't even know. So say,
it doesn't mean that I do not know. It doesn't mean that there's no such figure. If you give me time, I would research and give you the figure.
Yenina hon town for research in Fabra. And now we'll choose our press release. No one knows about it. I'm ranting so move you. Who about press release and disregard you? I was so him. What are you? Woman among Conquer research. It's Yama how many days now they acquire research.
Thank you.
Yama how many days?
Release now. Also, we should give them the pink sheet, isn't it? Pink sheet was the Kaya then. We have the pink sheet in our possession as a party. And John Dramani Mahama marshaled human resources to collect the results before we went to court. And so that figure is there. And if you give me time, I'm not home at the moment. But if you give maybe tomorrow, you can call me and I'll supply you the figure that NDC we had.
Okay, Nyamiyaduma Echina Yebefro. Now, for example, O2 about Central Region.
Utie Oha Echi Ponkno.
Needs FM.